affiliate marketing is a business model where you either have used the product or you somehow like the product, but our advice that you would have used the product, you love the product, you love the experience you garnered from the product, and then you are recommending this product to your friends, to your loved ones, and via other marketing means. Okay, you build a business around this product, okay, with the intention of helping other people experience, okay, the value that you've just encountered. Okay, and once you do that and these people buy into the same product, you earn a commission. Okay, and it works in such a way that once you sign up with an affiliate network, okay, they give you a unique link. This link is what you use to to get people to sign up for the same product. For instance, you could use, let's say, product X. Okay, it could be a writing software, it could be a marketing software, it could be a book, whatever it is. Okay, but you love the experience, and then you sign up as an affiliate marketer. You get your unique link. This unique link is what you use as your tool, as your promotional tool, promotional marketing tool. What do? You create a channel, a means of promotion. It could be an email list. It could be a TikTok channel. It could be an Instagram channel. It could be a YouTube channel. It could be a LinkedIn channel. It could even be an Instagram channel. So what you are doing on this channel is you are building your personal brand and speaking about this product. Okay, and I will also advise it must be a product where you have a lot of people with lots of problems, with lots of issues. So identify what these issues is, and then link whatever you are going to be speaking around this product, okay, to resolving or addressing the issues that these people have. And then tell them, hey, I have used this product and it has all the capacity, it has all the features, it has all the benefits to solve these problems that you are currently going through. And once they buy into it, it's not about the buying, it's about helping them, okay, have the same unique experience that you had with that products. Okay, once you are able to get them to do that, okay, they click on your link, they want to buy more of the products, okay, and you get paid some commission. And the good thing about digital products is that you earn between 30 uh, about 40 to 80% commission as an affiliate marketer. You don't need to own the product, you don't need to be involved in the delivery of these products. Okay, you don't need to stock inventory. I mean, you don't need to be there. Okay, your job is just to promote this product. Okay, just the way I'm doing, I mean, speaking about the products on any of your channel. And I would advise that you start with one of the channels, identify where this prospective audience are. Okay, any of the channels, don't start with all the channels that I've mentioned initially. Pick one, start there, build an audience around that channel before you move to another. So should you be interested in, I mean, in a detailed training that takes you through the processes of affiliate marketing? Maybe you are a beginner, or you are a you are you've started but you need more insights. Okay, I discovered a video that takes you step by step, okay, the processes of starting a profitable affiliate business. And most importantly, I do a 9 to 5 and I do affiliate marketing. There's no conflict. Okay, it's a digital product uh, a business where you entirely do your business online. And the good thing about this uh, type of business, affiliate marketing business, is the fact that you don't necessarily need to be there. I mean, it's a setup where you build systems, you build funnels, and you promote once, traffic keeps coming, keeps happening even without your presence. Okay, I was telling you about a training that I discovered. I'll leave the description of this training in the link to this training in the description of this video. Please find time. Okay, I think it's about 45 minutes long. This training is going to take you through detailed, I mean, whether you are just starting, whether you are intermediary, whether you are a pro, I mean, there are new insights that you're going to learn from this free training. So I'll leave the link in the description of this video. Click it and start learning or start improving your skills in the business of affiliate marketing. I wish you luck. Cheers.